Ever wondered how much you can actually borrow on a mortgage? Well, you're not alone, and it's not just about how many takeaways you skip in a month. I'm Patrick, and today we're doing a deep dive into mortgage affordability. How lenders actually calculate it, and how you can optimise your chances. Mortgage affordability is basically how much a lender thinks you can borrow and repay without turning into a financial mess by the 15th of every month. And it's not just about your income. It's the full picture. It's your debts, your expenses, how much you spend on Netflix or nappies even. Most lenders work from your gross income. So that's your income before tax and deductions. And then they put on a multiplier. So if you're earning £30,000 a year gross, with a 4.5 times multiplier, that's 135,000 borrowing. But that number can change. It's a bit like Bake Off. Every lender's got a different recipe. If you're self-employed, if your credit score's a little bit off, the number can go up, the number can go down. Different lenders do it different ways. So next they start on the deductions. That's things like childcare, car finance, credit cards, loans, anything else that drains your bank account like a Dyson on full power. So even if you're earning loads, if you've got a high level of commitments, it's going to seriously reduce your borrowing power. And then some lenders are going to check your spending habits. Yes, they're actually going to look at your bank account. They're going to look for things like gambling habits, big nights out, buying 17 dog costumes a month on Amazon. All of those things can raise some eyebrows. They want to be absolutely sure you can afford to pay the mortgage and your bills, and ideally not be living off toast. So how can you actually boost what you're eligible for? Well, first of all, curb any of those naughty spending habits, and then potentially work on your credit score. Maybe consider a joint application. But by far the best thing you can do is talk to a broker like me. So if you're wondering what's affordable for you, don't guess. Give me a call and let's work it out together. And remember, your bank account doesn't need to read like the Bible. There's no point being a grown-up if you can't be a bit childish sometimes.